Hey there, video creators! Ever found yourself stuck in the endless loop of video editing? Well, I've got something that'll blow your mind. Imagine taking your ideas and turning them into stunning videos in minutes. Yes, you heard me right, minutes. Click the link in the description below to get your special offer on InVideo AI's free trial. All right, let's dive in. InVideo AI is your new best friend in video creation. This cloud-based platform is jam-packed with AI tools that simplify video production. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or a content creator like me, InVideo AI is here to save the day. First off, let's talk about the AI video generator. Just type in a text prompt or topic, and boom! The AI takes over, generating scripts, visuals, voiceovers, music, and even transitions. It's like having a whole production team at your fingertips. And oh, the text-to-video conversion. Got a blog post or an article? No problem. InVideo AI transforms written content into engaging videos complete with relevant visuals and audio. It's like magic, but real. Now let's not forget the video editor. Whether you want to refine AI-generated videos or start from scratch, the built-in editor has got you covered. Edit scripts, add media, adjust clip duration, and apply all sorts of fancy effects. The control is in your hands. And oh my gosh, the stock media library. Access to a vast collection of stock images, video clips, and music tracks? Yes, please. Finding relevant visuals and audio for your projects has never been easier. But wait, there's more. Voiceover generation and cloning. InVideo AI offers AI-powered voiceovers in multiple languages and accents. Plus, you can clone your own voice. Personalized voiceovers just got real. With support for over 50 languages, InVideo AI caters to a global audience. And the pre-made workflows for YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and more? Absolute lifesavers. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your special offer on the InVideo AI free trial. Turn your ideas into videos effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy video creating. Remember, the future of video creation is here, and it's called InVideo AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.